So now let's get into our slope review. All right. Now let's get into our slope part. So the first thing that we need to know about slope, is it is always a fraction. It is always a fraction, okay? Whether or not you see a fraction doesn't matter, but it is always rise over run. We also call our rise our fall if it is a negative slope, if it goes down. So it's a rise or a fall over run, okay? If you think back to what a fraction is, remember a fraction is our numerator. A fraction is our numerator over denominator. Numerator over denominator. All right? So that's why we have rise over run. The second thing we are going to look at is what is all of the types of slope. All right? So to help us out with this, we are going to make what is called slope dude or slope guy. So we are going to draw a face. We are going to label him slope guy. Going to label him slope guy. All right. Then we are going to have a winky face. So one eye is going to be open as a plus sign. One eye is going to be closed as a minus sign. We're going to draw some weird looking eyebrows. On the plus sign, we are going to go up from left to right. On the right eyebrow, we are going to go down left to right. Okay? So plus goes up, negative goes down. All right? Then we are going to draw his nose. So we are going to draw a line up and down. Going to draw a line up and down. And we are going to put his little nose. So that's going to be just a U underneath. And that stands for the worst curse word in algebra and in math. Undefined. Then we are going to do a line left to right, straight left to right. And we are going to put little dimples on his side because that is a zero slope. This is zero fun. This is zero fun. All right? You got this. Okay? So that is our slope guy. Then we are going to write our slopes next to him just because we want to make sure that we are good to go on this. So if we have our 4 slopes from left to right, this one's going to go up. So this is going to be positive, which is a plus. Then we draw another one going left to right. This one's going to go down. So this is going to be negative. This one's going to be negative. Then we draw another one that goes straight left to right. Oh, I forgot my arrows. I'm sorry. And this is going to be 0. This is going to be 0. And my favorite one of all, because it is the worst curse word in math and in algebra, undefined. Undefined. So those are your 4 types of slope. Those are your 4 types of slope. So probably should write that above it just because we want to make sure that we are good to go. So types of slopes. And sorry that my notes are not baller, but we'll figure it out. All right. Now we're going to get into actually finding slope.